Hello sports fans, Ralph Luck here. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. And I didn't shoot any boarding footage. If you can hear and see, I'm in the front of the RV driving. After breaking down my desert camp spot there on BLM land, just about 30 miles north of the Phoenix area. And crazy times. I don't think I'll ever be back. I could deal with the trash, but the off-road vehicles, which you're going to see going by right now, those were respectful. Anyway, it was real noisy. Motorcycles, yesterday was a Saturday. So, of course, it's a busy off-road vehicle day, but just too noisy. And one of my neighbors who's in her trailer, obviously dealing drugs, using drugs. And I'm not going to go into the details, but just a lot of traffic in and out. And it's unfortunate because it is a beautiful area. So I didn't show you all the normal breakdown. Pretty basic. The V-dub was already hooked up, so I just had to fold up the rug, the chairs, disengage the propane tank outside, throw that all in the V-dub, and put in the slide out. And like always, sorry, it's a real bumpy road here. Like always, Ninja just knew. I mean, I was just getting on my jeans this morning, and she just knew. She ran under the front driver's seat, right under where I'm at now. She just knows when we're getting on the road. And that's before doing the slide out or picking up anything. So we're heading to Fry's, Arizona. There's a place to get water and dump my tanks for free there. And it's right near where I'm meeting my Army buddy at my storage facility. Yes, for 2 years I've been paid for storage for things that I was pretty much holding on to for my daughter. But after 2 years, she hasn't wanted to take them yet. So I'm going to give most of it to my buddy and donate whatever's left. And then from there, we're going to get some groceries, Walmart pickup. Oh, no, from there we're going to do laundry. Then we're going to get groceries at Walmart. And then we're going to find this spot that I saw on iOverlander. I researched it a little bit. Looks pretty decent. People shooting over here where you're not allowed to shoot. Pretty scary. Thanks for joining me. Again, beautiful area here. Lots of saguaros. Nice rocks, hills, mountains. And the road's not too bad coming in. Look at all those tall saguaros. I'm gonna get to driving here. I'll be on the freeway soon. So I already hit the dump station and the storage area, and my buddy took most of the stuff. Sorry, I forgot to film it. At the QT getting a soda, then it's off to do laundry. QT, quick trip. My old stomping grounds where the laundromat was at. Surprise, Arizona. And now we're on the overpass of Grand Avenue, which, if you know about the Phoenix area, Grand Avenue goes way from the Northwest Valley up here all the way into Phoenix, but it's got a ton of lights. So here's getting into the meat and potatoes of Surprise. We've got a Chick-fil-A on the left, closed today on Sunday. Target, Lowe's, Office Max, Michael's, a million restaurants, and a million homes and apartments around here. So we're off to get groceries at Walmart. See you there. And now we're heading on the 303 southbound towards right about where the state land is going to be at. So here's the street I came in on from behind us. And supposedly this is state land. That's the I-10. You can see the bridge going over the 303. Sorry, I did already go to Walmart and get the groceries all inside. Stuff in the freezer and fridge that needed to go. But somewhere out here, in the middle of nowhere, we're gonna park the RV and stay for a week. So here we are. So that's looking to the east, where the sun's gonna rise. Let's take a look around. And panning towards the south. A lot of homes in the distance. It's about 45 minutes before sunset, so sorry for the blinding light. And obviously that's to the west. Got a patch of trees for Ninja to go get lost in and look for mice. Here, let me spread out here. There she is. And across the street's a storage shed, and then I think that's like state water, and I think that's why this is state land. Yep, she's rolling around. And sometimes this is the glamour of full-time RV living. Hopefully nobody comes a knocking, because again, I've got about 8 days I've got to stay here. There's Ninja. She's creeping her way over to the bushes. Gonna go get a mousey. Oh, and had to roll around once. I never get tired of seeing that. So, I'm gonna go put away the rest of the groceries now. A couple more times maybe. Got some more batteries, some solar or some rechargeable ones for the outside lights. And this is supposed to be a wrapped Christmas present. But it's a kitty bed. So I'm gonna put it up top here, see if Ninja may actually use it. It'll be an early Christmas present. All right, sunset, beautiful weather. Ninja has been outside ever since you last saw her on video. I went outside, walked around for a little bit near the RV, setting up the motion detector, security lights and stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go make a very simple dinner, a can of soup. Yes, I know. But if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. And if you're not already subscribed, please, it's free as well to subscribe, and that way you get alerts anytime I post a new video. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.